Nanongpo Shomden.
Commissioner and Secretary of the Revenue and Disaster Management Sanjay Goyal informed Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday that they held a review meeting as the state prepares for landslide and heavy rains this monsoon season. Talking to media persons, Goyal said the state disaster management team is on high alert as the frequent interaction with the deputy commissioners, who are the chairman of the respective district disaster management authorities, are being held as the monsoon rainfall lashes Meghalaya.
Minister and the Revenue Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home on the issues of the forthcoming monsoons, which is this monsoon. So we are all prepared. It was a detailed meeting held by all the departmental heads of critical departments like Forest, PWD, PHE, Health. So all those departments which are relevant in terms of the relief operations as well as in terms of taking any activity which relates to either the blockade of the road or any other such event.